Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It is also helps the students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, we are going to discuss latest job openings in Mangalore location. Attention, please don't pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job opening for front office executive cum admin. It is from Red Team Hacker Academy. It is located in Mangalore location. They are offering a salary for this position is 8,000 to 10,000 rupees per month. And these are the responsibilities needed for this job position. Handling office reception queries from direct walk-in students or parents, arranging meeting appointment if required with the sales team, handling fees collected directly from office cash management, preparing miss reports to branch manager, answering desk phones. These are the responsibilities. Please check with the all details provided here, and for further details you can contact with the given number, that is 9841423905. Next, there are openings from Presidency Group of Institutions. They are looking for admission counselor for Presidency School. It is located in Mangalore location. They are offering a salary for this position is 20,000 to 30,000 rupees per month. For this job position, qualification and experience will be any graduate, postgraduate qualification in marketing or counseling with will be a plus. Minimum 4 years of experience in marketing or admissions counseling is needed for this job position. And please check with the job description provided here, and also with the responsibilities. Please go through it once. For further details you can contact with the given phone number, that is 8123385185. Next, there is a job opening from National Institute of Technology Karnataka, Surathkal. They are hiring for project staff. It is located in Mangalore location. They are offering a salary for this position is 17,000 rupees per month. Only one vacancy is available. Freshers are eligible to apply for this job position. Education qualification will be ME or MTech. Last date to apply for this job position is 11th February 2021. Please check with the selection procedure provided here, and for further details you can visit this website link and get more detailed information how to apply for this job position. Next, there is a job opening for sales executive. It is from Go Green EOT Private Limited. It is located in Mangalore location, Karnataka. They are offering a salary for this position is 8,000 to 12,000 rupees per month. And please check with the responsibilities and the job description provided here, and interested candidates you can contact with the given phone number, that is 9964222284. Next, there are openings from National Institute of Technology, Karnataka, Surathkal. They have vacancies for junior research fellow. For this job position only one vacancy is available. They are offering a salary for this position is 31,000 rupees per month, and freshers are eligible to apply for this job position. For this job position, education qualification will be BTech or BE, MSc, ME or MTech. Last date to apply is 20 February 2021. Please check with the selection procedure, and you can check all information in the website link provided here. Next, there are openings for sales representative from Smart smarttech.net, and it is located in Mangalore location. They are offering a salary for this position is 25,000 to 30,000 rupees per month, and please check with the responsibilities and the job description provided here, and for further details you can contact with the given phone number, that is 73376662 22. Next, there is a job opening for financial advisor from Travelicious, and it is located in Mangalore location, Karnataka. They are looking for experienced retired people, self-employed business people and housewife for part-time or full-time sales jobs. And the candidate must have good communication and excellent selling skills. Freshers can also be eligible to apply for this job position, helping candidates to earn good money through product training, leads distribution, motivation. So interested candidates, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 9945277349. Next, there are openings from uh, Northern Sky Properties Private Limited. They are hiring for architect position. So it is located in Mangalore location, Karnataka. They are offering a salary for this position is 15,000 to 44,000 rupees per month. For this job position, 2 years of experience is needed. Qualification will be B.Arch. Salary and salary is provided here. Yeah, you can check with the job description provided here, and interested candidates you can contact with the given phone number, that is 9731336060. Next, there is a job opening for graphic designer from Connectia Solutions. It is located in Mangalore location. They are offering a salary for this position is 10,000 15,000 rupees per month, and qualification will be diploma in CS, BCA and MCA. 6 months to 2 years of experience is needed, and these are the skills needed for this job position, and also you can check with the job description provided here. And for interested candidates you can contact with the given phone number, that is 7795128110. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. Thanks for watching.